Let's learn about cookie now. A cookie, also known as a HTTP cookie, web cookie, or a browser cookie, is a small piece of data sent from the website you are browsing and is stored in the user's computer. Every time the user loads the website, the browser sends the cookie back to the server to notify the website of the user's previous activity. You could track the activities like navigation of the user or the clicking of some links and something like that. You could store these kind of informations. So coming up to our Express Node application, we need to set the cookie parser middleware in order to set and retrieve data out of a cookie. So a general syntax would be response object dot cookie, the cookie name, and of course the value, and an optional settings like its expiration date. Well, usually what we do is set the new date plus some milliseconds added to it, or else you could directly write max age of it in milliseconds. Of course, after that many milliseconds the cookie gets automatically expired. Well, let me remove this and give it a real-time approach. I will define a route, that is users slash username or some name. Once the user visits this URL, I will set a cookie. So response object dot cookie. Now I'll give a cookie name, or else I'll just bind send method to response dot cookie outputs returns an object which we could bind with this send method. Now I'll give a cookie name. I'll call it just name, and the value is present inside request objects params dot user. Now I'll send some text, maybe a link to click and look at our stored cookie by fetching the value of that name. Let it be slash user. Now, as you might have already guessed, I need to define slash user route now. It's very simple. Just use your response dot send method. Inside that, you could request the cookie's name, that is request dot cookies dot the name. Very simple. Now let me start the server first. Okay, no errors thrown. Let us navigate to slash users. I'll give my name slash my name. So cookie has been set. Let us verify that. Go to console in your Google Chrome. Document.cookie should return your cookie, and it's returning. That means it has been set. Once you click the link and navigate, it retrieves the cookie by name and shows it. Well, you could set an expiration date here, or else you could clear this cookie by making use of a method called response objects method, that is clear cookie. Pass in the name of the cookie which you want to clear. Well, we could even bind dot send method with this. It displays whatever is present inside the cookie name, also clears that cookie, and it will no more be available to us. So let's save this and have a look. I'll get back to the URL, refresh. Okay, let's check if the cookie has already been set, and it looks like it's set. Navigate here and it's fetching the data. Also note that cookie should have been cleared already, and we will check that out. Document.cookie should return empty value now. Yeah, and it's returning. Refresh and the cookie is no more working because cookie by name has been cleared. So next up we will be looking at sessions, which will also use cookie parser middleware. So stay tuned, stay subscribed to technotip.com, and share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. And don't forget to like this video on YouTube.